All right, let's now shift our attention to the other big story that we are tracking on WION, which pertains to Nirav Modi, who's been denied bail yet again by a British court. Now, this, of course, is the third bail plea that the fugitive diamantaire had filed, which was rejected. Now, Nirav Modi is fighting an extradition case. He's been accused of defrauding the Punjab National Bank. Besides, there is a money laundering case against him as well. Now, Nirav Modi had in fact offered to double his security. He was willing to pay $2 million as bail security amount, but the judge simply refused to accept this. Now, the billionaire diamantaire is, of course, remember, wanted in India. He is the prime accused in a $2 billion fraud loan scam. This, of course, is the biggest banking fraud in the country's history. Nirav Modi has been in London since last year after he fled from India. Reportedly, he was able to travel in and out of Britain at least about 4 times, and this is despite the fact that his passport has been cancelled by the Indian authorities in February. An Interpol Red Corner notice was also issued on the request of the Indian authorities in July last year for his arrest, and soon after the media found him. It was not the security agencies or the investigative agencies, it was the media which first tracked him down to London, and he was subsequently arrested by the British authorities. And our London Bureau Chief, Mandy Clark, gets you the latest updates.
This was the third bail application hearing here at Westminster's Magistrates Court, and the only reason it was heard was that circumstances had to be considerably changed, and the change of circumstance was a £2 million security, a nearly doubling of a bail offer, and that was enough to convince the judge to hear this latest application. However, she wasn't convinced that the major reasons for him being behind bars should change, such as her primary concern was there was simply not enough ties to the UK to keep him here. He's only been in the country just a little over a year. That didn't seem like enough ties within the community. He had adult children who had studied here in the past. They now live in the United States. They are planning to come back to the UK apparently for internship, but she felt that simply wasn't strong enough ties. And also, she was very concerned about the destruction of evidence that, on the face of it, looks quite serious, and also that the accusations his brother had tampered, essentially, with witnesses. So considering all those factors, the judge believed it was best that he does remain in custody, and he will continue to remain in custody until the next court hearing, when the extradition hearing should begin in proper, and that will be at the end of the month on May 30th. Mandy Clark, London, WION, World is One.